In this video training, we are going to discuss how to calculate percentage in Excel, and this is the 15th training of our percentage training topic. And in this training, we are going to calculate the change of percentage price for the products available here. So we're gonna apply a percentage formula to get the change of percentage in price of these products. And then in second example, we also discuss if we want to increase the price of products with the help of percentage, means if we want to increase the price of percentage of products with the help of percentage, like we want to increase the price of percentage as 10% with 10%. So how we can increase the price of product with the help of giving the number of percentage to the price to get the new price for the next year or for the upcoming period. So first of all, we are going to discuss this example. In this example, we are going to check the current price and the last year price, and we will find out the difference of price. Then we will calculate the change of price percentage for each item. So I'm going to clear this chart right now. And one more important thing, this is the Excel training, and I'm going to use the application of Microsoft Excel. This is the official Microsoft application for Android, and it's almost similar, it's totally similar with the Excel desktop version. If you learn Excel with this training, so you will apply the same formula, the same procedure on the desktop version to get the right result and the same result for your data or your table. So I'm going to clear all these data, so you don't need to worry about that. If you are going to apply the formula, it will not work. Don't worry, because it's official Microsoft Excel application, so you will have the same result in the desktop version as well. Let me show you. If you want to have this application, so you can have it from Google Play Store. Let me show you quickly how you can get it. And this is the official Microsoft application. Without it's a free application, and you don't need to pay for it, and you will not have the ads in this application, because there are multiple applications available on the Google Play Store, but you have to install the official Microsoft application. So let me show you, then we will now I'm going to calculate the percentage change of percentage calculation. So this is the official Microsoft application. Here you can see Microsoft Corporation, and this is a free application, and you can have it in your cell phone or Android device. Even is also available for iOS device as well. So you can use it, and you can while you are traveling, you can create report or generate report, and you can submit your work at anywhere, anytime. So I'm going to add this information again right now quickly. So please don't forget to like our video, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like our video right now, and leave add yourself in my subscriber count, so that will really grateful for me. So I'm going to add this data quickly to get the percentage change for the price of the last year and the current year price. So we are going to add the data quickly over here. So the 25, 30, 10, 55, and let's suppose 5. So we have the last year price. Let me zoom it for your understanding. So now I'm going to add quickly the current year price. Then we will apply a formula. The formula is very simple, but you have to watch carefully. It will help you to make report and calculate the change of percentage. So 65, and let's suppose we have same price as previous year. So now I'm going to get the price difference quickly, so you can understand how much price difference we have for this year. Current year price and the minus with the last year price. So I'm going to apply this formula. Here you can drag the formula, but not this way. You have to fill the formula with the help of fill option, and once you drag it, the all formula will be dragged from top to bottom as per your requirement. So here you can see we have some negative result and some positive result. So I'm going to apply a formula right now. Before that, I want to tell you I have given a percentage calculation multiple trainings for the change of percentage, percentage calculation, percentage between two cells, percentage for multiple rows, and you also create pie chart, different chart as well. So you can have multiple trainings and the multiple on the multiple examples. So we start with this training from the basic formula for the percentage calculation. Then we apply percentage calculation for the examination result. And once we change the data, once we change the term, so we can get the change of what means we get the percentage of each examination as per our selection. So we did multiple trainings in this training session. So you can have all the videos on my channel right now. If you want, you can have the link as well in my description. We also create multiple charts or percentage, and here you can see we create a bar chart and few pie chart as well. So if you want to learn these things, so you can watch our video. Here you can see we create pie chart. So I'm going to quickly add going to the topic. Main topic our is how to calculate percentage change and the change of price calculation in percentage. The formula is very simple to get this result. That's let me explain the formula first, so for your understanding. The formula is very simple to change for the change of percentage calculation. So once you have two values, the current year value and the last year value, so new value will be the current year value and the old value will be the last year value, and you need to divide, you need to subtract both values and divide with the old value. Then you have to multiply with the answer with the 100. So you will get the result. So let me show you how you can apply in the Excel format. So formula is open bracket, then C6 minus and B6, then close bracket, divide by B6. So here we get the result. But the most important thing is not you have to apply the percentage format. What is that? Let me show you. I'm going to clear the format. If you clear the format, actually the format, percentage format is already applied over here. That's why it's showing the result in percentage. Otherwise, once you apply the formula, this formula looks like this. Or if you multiply with this answer with the 100, means that if you multiply this answer with the 100, so you will not have the percentage sign. Let me show you how it will work. See, once we multiply this formula with the 100, so we get the result but not the percentage sign. For the percentage sign we need to remove the 100 and we can apply the percentage format with the help of cell phone, and you can also apply with the help of desktop version. And the short key on the desktop version is Control Shift percentage. So once you apply the percentage format, so you will get the result as in percentage. So it's a 20% change. So let me show you again. So I'm going to drag this formula for your understanding, and you can apply this formula as per your requirement. So the second example is also important. Once if you want to increase the percentage price in percentage, so how you can apply the formula. So that's why the formula is very important. But let me explain you this formula again quickly. So I'm going to remove this formula to show you again. The formula is very simple. Is equal to open bracket, the current year price the current year price is C6 minus B6 divide with the B6, means the current year price subtracted from the old year price, then subtracted divided with the old year price. And once we click OK, so it's showing some error. I don't know why. Oh, we select the wrong number over here. B6, okay. So here we get the result as per requirement. So here you can see we have the percentage change, and answer are also available here. You can see we have the negative figure, so we have the negative percentage, and we have the positive figure, we have the positive percentage. And if we don't have the difference, the percentage change is totally zero. So second example is very important, but you have to understand properly. So for that I am going to clear the all the numbers and the formulas for your understanding, and let me show you quickly how you can apply this formula and how you can get the percentage increase price. So the price, let me consider as 33, sorry, let's consider 30 and 25, then let's consider 8, 65 and 5. So now our management decide we want to increase the price of each item as 10%. So we need to add 10%, and we can drag this formula, sorry, this number, or we can copy and apply in. Here you can see we can use this Excel application as a desktop version. We can do anything as per requirement. So here you can see the price difference. To get the price different from the percentage is very simple. This is a simple formula. The formula is, what is the formula to get the price difference? If you want to increase the price with the 10%, so what will be the difference? I'm not talking about the total amount. So the difference is you can multiply with the percentage and the price. So here you can see once we increase the price, once we increase the price with the 10%, so the increase of the amount will be 10% for the $3 for the $30. So if we drag this formula, so we will have the change of price according to our requirement, and the price will be increases with the 10% for each product. So now I'm going to now I can simply apply this formula as plus with the 30. We get the result, but I'm going to apply this formula to fill the to get the result with the one formula, not to engage all the cell to get the result. So I'm going to clear it and show you how you can apply this formula to get the result with the one formula. You don't need to have give the cell reference except the price. So you can apply one formula. So is equal to, open bracket, 30% into $30 into 10%, and close bracket, then plus, sorry, there's something wrong over here, plus S6 S6. So here you see I apply this formula with the help of cell reference, but let me show you how you can apply with the help of without the help of cell reference. So you can apply the whole formula by yourself and without having the cell reference. So just I'm going to apply the quickly formula. I want you to watch this video till the end, because it's very useful for the percentage calculation, and this is the very useful formula in business. So I'm going to apply a 10% and then plus with the so here you can see we get the result. If you want to learn how we can create the like charts in this pie chart. So let me show you quickly. There you can create pie chart as well, or bar chart for your understanding of the price. That's very simple. Here you can see. And if you want to have this number in the percentage format, if you want to have this number in percentage format, so you don't need to apply the percentage format. That's the important thing. You don't need to have the percentage to have the percentage numbers on your chart. You got my point? If you want to have numbers on your chart like this, but you don't want to have the numbers, you want to have the percentage. So you don't need to calculate the percentage, you can just get the percentage from the pie chart layout option. And here you can see we have the pie chart layout option, which show us the percentage of each item on the pie chart without calculating the percentage. Here you can see we have the data source as last year price, and if we move it from last year to current year, then here you can see we have the percentages over available over here. So I hope you like video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment right now, and also like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, so please leave a comment, I will definitely reply you. And if you want to learn more about percentage calculation, you can see our more videos which is available on our channel. Thank you for watching.